Hi everyone, this is Heite on Listia. This auction is for a Dell Latitude laptop that's got Windows XP Professional running on it. And this is a pretty small laptop. Oh, by the way, it comes with a Dell branded power supply and a Wi-Fi card, as well as a docking station that's built specifically for this laptop, and it's got on the back USB ports and Cat5 and video output, all that good stuff. So back to the laptop here. Everything's working fine with it, no issues. It's just a little bit on the older side, but it is a nice sturdy laptop. I think it's made out of metal. But everything works on it. There's nothing on it that is broken or anything like that. And I'll show you. So everything is working on it pretty well. It's got a, like I said, Windows XP Professional built onto it. Everything's been cleaned out. It's a Pentium 2 processor, so it gives you an idea of the relative age of this, but it makes for a great kid laptop. You know, it's not blazingly fast by today's standards, but it works pretty well. Other than that, you can kind of get an idea of the size of this thing. It's pretty thin for what it is. It's got the docking station port here, USB, keyboard, all that stuff. On the side, it's got 2 slots, if you can see. Yeah, one of them is taken out, but there's another second slot for a PCMCIA card, like that. But this Proxim card is a pretty nice Wi-Fi card too. So anyways, it's about to go to sleep, but here it is. And the battery takes a pretty good charge, as you can see here. It's running on the battery right now. And here's I don't know if this helps here. Let's see. Here's some specific. Come on, focus, camera, focus. Let's see if I can get this thing focused. Here it goes. Latitude CS series. All the certifications. All that good stuff. So, if you have any questions, leave me a comment. And thanks for looking at this auction. Come on, my camera's got to focus. But thanks for looking, and good luck if you decide to bid.